Excuse me, are you American?
No, I'm not. I am Canadian.
Do you speak English?
A little, but not very well.
How are you?
I'm fine, thanks.
How do you do?
How do you do? Pleased to meet you.
What's up?
Nothing much.
How was your day?
Really good.
Are you happy today?
Yes, I am.
What's your name?
My name is Amelia.
What's your surname?
Brown.
Where do you come from?
I come from London.
Where are you from?
I am from London.
How old are you?
38.
When and where were you born?
I was born in 1974 in Liverpool.
What do you do?
I am an engineer.
What's your profession?
I'm an English teacher.
What's your job?
I'm an English teacher.
Do you work from home?
No, I work from office.
Where do you live?
I live in England.
What's your address?
30 Oxford Street.
What's your email address?
You can email me at john@gmail.com.
What's your telephone number?
My number is 854377.
How long have you been here?
I have been here for 3 weeks.
Can I ask you a few personal questions?
Certainly.
Do you have a girlfriend?
Yes, I do.
Do you have a boyfriend?
No, I don't.
Are you single?
No, I have a girlfriend.
Are you married?
No, I'm single.
Are you married?
Yes, I am married.
What's your marital status?
I'm married.
Have you got any children?
No, not yet.
Have you got any children?
Yes, I've got 3 children. 2 boys and a daughter.
How many children do you have?
I have 2 children, a boy and a girl.
Anything else?
No, that's all.
What is your hobby?
I like playing sports, especially swimming.
How much is this?
This is $7.
How much are these?
These are $2.
How much does this cost?
It's $1.
How much is this altogether?
$100.
How much money do you have?
I only have $10.
How much money do you have?
Not a lot.
How much is it to go to Los Angeles?
It's $150.
How much do I owe you?
30 cents.
Who is this?
This is my uncle, Sam.
Do you know Megan?
Yes, she is my friend.
Who is Jenny?
Jenny? I've never heard of her.
Do you know who Eric is?
No, who is he?
Who is your teacher?
My teacher is Mr. Roberts.